Hi everyone, Salman here. In this video, I'll walk you through how to correctly connect your WhatsApp number to WAWP account easily. Whether you are using personal or business WhatsApp, this method works for both. So start by going to your WAWP dashboard, which is wawp.net/account. From here, you will see something like WAWP plugin control features. Here you have an option for auto instances. Just turn this on. This will allow automatically import instances in WordPress dashboard, which we will see later in this video. To connect your WhatsApp number, just you need to click on link number from here, or you can click on this big button. Here you can see all the instances you have already created. Also, you can see access token here, which is very important if you are going to add instances manually later in WordPress dashboard. For now, I'm going to click on create new instance. Give it a name. You can give any name you want, something like your business number, anything you want, and click on create instance. Once an instance created, you can see a screen something like this. From here, you can even stop your instance. You have your instance name and it is showing connect first. You need to connect your WhatsApp number. For that, there are two options. First one is scan QR and second is link with code. You can use whether fit for you. I'm going to use for scan QR. Just click on scan QR and a QR code generated for you. After that, you need your mobile. From your mobile, open your WhatsApp, then click on three dots. From there, click on link devices. Here you can see a button named as link device. Click on that and scan your QR code that is generated. You can name your scan device anything you want. Now you can see we have connected our WhatsApp number here. From here you can restart your instance or you can stop. Even you have an option for webhook, which we can use later for automation. And you can even log out or delete your instance. Here is instance ID, which we need for manual integration in WordPress dashboard. Now we need to go to WordPress dashboard. From there, click on WAWP and from there click on sender settings. Here you have three options: email sender, WhatsApp sender and block manager. For now, we're doing for WhatsApp sender, so we need to click on WhatsApp sender. Here you can see two options. One is import, second is add manually. Import option will work only if you have enable auto instance, which I mentioned earlier in this video. Just click on import. It will take some time and load all your instances here. Right now I have only one instance and that is showing here. You need to click on insert and it will automatically be inserted here. But let's just say it is not importing, or you have not enabled the option. So how can you manually add this instance here? For that, click on add manually. Give it a name, instance ID. For that, you need to go to your WAWP account dashboard. From here, you can click on instance ID and instance ID will be copied. Just paste it here. Then for access token, go back to your WAWP account and here is your access token. Simply copy that and paste it here. Simply click on save and here you can see your instance is added in your WordPress dashboard. Connection status is showing online. That means everything is working perfectly fine. Scroll down a little bit and you will see choose WhatsApp sender and here you need to select your business line or any name you have given to your instance. Then simply click on Save Changes. Everything is set up perfectly. Here you can see I have only option for notification. The reason behind this is that if I go to dashboard, here you can see I have turned off OTP verification. You need to turn on this. And now you can send OTP messages to and select instance ID for OTP verification too. This is the correct method to add your WhatsApp number to WAWP account easily. Check out my previous video if you haven't already, where I show you how to create a WAWP account and install the plugin. Also check out WAWP account with my given link, and for my channel subscribers, you can use this coupon code to get 30% off. And don't forget to like, subscribe and drop any comment if you need any help.